Today is October 22. It's day 9 of my Russian fighter pull-up program. So, I'll be doing sets of 11, 10, 9, 9, and 8. So, if you've been following the program or if you just check out the description, that's additional 1 rep on my second to the last set. So, to respond to Eugene's comment about the warm-up, I don't do extra reps because I have to conserve my energy. at least that's what I think. I feel like if I do extra reps as warm-up, I might need like a long stretch of rest before I start the main workout. So for warm-up, what I usually do is just dynamic stretching with the arm circles, stretching like this, stretching like that, IYT, and all that good stuff. So now hanging on the bar, no scapula pull-ups, no extra reps. So anyway, for the grip, I've been trying it, but I feel like my hand is sleeping and it just adds to the like something I need to mind. So yeah, I'll still try to do like knuckles up the bar, but I feel like focusing on the grip, it makes me focus on the grip more, so that takes up energy too. Yeah, so that's a struggle with the grip. If I focus on it too much, like really hold it, like takes a lot of energy for me. But anyway, let's start the first set, 11 reps. Last rep is still a struggle to nail. Wish I could do it cleaner as the days go by, but as long as I make it to the top, that's good enough for me for now. Yeah, the goal is not to fail, like spectacularly fail, like like I can't go up anymore. So I think that's the failure that I will count. So for the rest time, again, minimum of 15 minutes. I find myself resting longer, 15 to 18 minutes. Yeah, usually I do the Duolingo or do other stuff, just to have a productive recovery time. And then I have a bit of a dilemma for next week. See, I'm already thinking about next week because on Monday we have our company APE, and that means again taking blood for the blood work, and if that would make my nerve bruised again, swollen. So I'm scared that if I do pulling exercise after the APE, it will hurt, first of all, and second of all, it might get bruised. So I don't know. I think I need to take a rest day after the APE. Anyway, let tomorrow worry about itself. So gonna go for my rest time, and I'll see you on the next set. Okay, so 15 minutes rest done. Next set would be 10 reps. And I just remembered that I mentioned yesterday in my post that I'll be doing 1 to 2 second hold at the top for the last rep. So let's try it on this set. That's it. That's the hold. And definitely felt the chin hit the bar. Alright, then done. I had to do a bit of a pause on the 9th rep. Not too good. I'm just tired from the day because I went to office, so I woke up early for that. Then I went home, ate my dinner, do the grocery, and rested before starting the workout. So I started really late tonight, later than the usual. Usually I do 7 or 8 p.m. workout, but for this one it's way past 8, so yeah. I hope it's not overtraining, so we'll see in the coming days. I'll try to work out earlier since I'll be working from home in the next 2 days. Alright, so another 15 minutes rest. I'll wash my dishes during the break and then I'll eat 3rd set. Alright, so after 15 minutes rest, I'm ready for my 3rd set with 9 pull-ups. Success. 9 reps done with 2 second hold at the top. So what I'm doing now with my grip is I'm gonna try to put my knuckles really above the bar as much as possible instead of back, and then after I do that, I wrap my thumb below, still on my tippy toes, because then I tried like setting up my chair, then stepping up for my initial position. That's really when I felt like I'm doing so much effort with the grip, and so I just try it this way first, get used to having my bar and my thumb below the bar. Yep, so little adjustments. Thanks to Eugene for all the tips and the advice. So next set would be another 9 reps. Maybe I'll rest a little bit longer, do a couple of Duolingo lessons or 3, and hopefully I wouldn't need to rest on the last rep if I do a longer rest time. So see you on the next set. So that's about 17 minutes of rest. I did finish 3 Duolingo lessons, so now I'm ready for the 4th set. I'll be doing 9 reps. That last rep was terrible. I wasn't able to do the hold. It was a struggle just to reach the top. So I'd take a longer rest time, maybe 18 minutes for my last set. So 8 reps. Last set will be 8 reps. So that's about 19 minutes rest. I am about to do my last set of 8 pull-ups. Oh man. That's it. Not so clean last reps for today, but it is what it is, and I'll just try to do better tomorrow. Yeah, hopefully if I do, I think if I do my workout earlier in the day, I won't be so tired. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I think even if I was able to like lie down for a bit after dinner, after doing the grocery, I feel like my body has already resigned itself to rest mode. So it's hard to push. Yeah, let's just see tomorrow what the day would look like. So thank you for joining me, and see you on the next one.